riddle bonanza. All right, so in this round, obviously, we are going to be solving riddles. I will be reading out the clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. When you are ready to solve a riddle, please ring for it. And so may I hear your bell, Presbyterian boys. Thank you. Yours, Accra Academy. Thank you. And yours, Pope John. Thank you. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. As mentioned, there are 4 of them. Best wishes, everyone. We begin. I am a concept with different meanings in each science subdiscipline, such as biochemistry or ecology. I operate in many biological systems, from the water inside a cell to populations of predators and prey. Ecologists and population biologists often refer to me when talking about populations of organisms. Any system in which I exist tends to reach a steady state, a balance that resists outside forces of change. I am a situation in which a system that otherwise is prone to changing displays no overall change. So who am I? Yes, Peniel.
Homeostasis.
No. Yes, Gabriel. Oh, you rang next. Go ahead.
Carrying capacity.
No. You also rang.
Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium.
Oy. Again. Again.
Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium.
Okay, who wants this one? Trust me, it's simpler than that. What type of equilibrium? Which type? Oh, you are disappointing me. The right answer is dynamic equilibrium.